Ayan. So, hanggang 1 point. Go. Okay, so good morning sa lahat ng JPNs na nandito. So let's get straight to the point. I know that nandito kayo para alamin kung sino yung mga candidates na hindi niyo pa kilala. So, you might have asked, sino si Gab Chua? So, bakit siya nandito? Saan pa ba taga-JMA siya? So, bakit siya dito? Ayan. But let's start from the very beginning. So, yes, I did start from JMA. It was my first org in UP. I considered it my family org. That was what I wanted to do. And then I applied for JPL during the first sem, nung second year. And akala ko parang second org siya, but then, well, now you know what happened. And then, yeah, I admitted nung app ako, medyo patapan ako. Pero what happened? Well, AR happened, the plan sem happened, and I learned that JPL is so much more than just a second org. And as you guys know, my AR, yung nga, doon nag-start yun, ito si Adelaide. Hi, Adelaide. Hi, ayan. So, yeah, I still recognize it as one of the best teams that I've had, because doon ko na-realize yung, nalove ako ng mga na pwede pala akong i-love, may naibubaga pala ako. And doon yung mga unang tao na naniwala sa akin dito sa JPA. And then, incidentally, yun din yung kauna-unahan kong creative position ever in life. Kaya doon ko na-explore at masasabi kong JPA yung magbukas sa akin ng pinto pagdating dun sa creatives and publicity. And yun, so a lot of great things happened since. And in contrast, this is the first time you'll hear it from me na yun nga, eventually I fell out of love of JPA na parang I never really felt comfortable there. So, what was I'm trying to say? So, you'd probably ask how did Gab Chua, supposedly JMAer na alam mo yun, naging inactive for the first time niya, and then kung siya, ganyan. And how did he become the guy that is in front of you now? So, my point here is that because happiness happened, it is a choice I willingly made. I followed my heart and I chose to be happy. And when happiness takes over, great things happen. Somehow, the universe will conspire to give you the things you never thought you wanted. I was a MEMCOM for SM, tapos di ba na-shop halls, napunta ako sa Infopub, and look at what happened. Tapos, nung nag-apply ako ng network layout editor, tapos ang dami nangyari sa EOS. So, kung naalala niyo pa, yan, nag-EPIC ako nun. So, and that, everything started because I chose to be happy. And yun yung main part ko na, yan, 30 seconds na lang, na lahat ng gagawin natin, na innovations sa Infopub, sa JPA, all of those will be yung foundation and will always be the members. It will always be your happiness because I chose to be happy and alam ko na you guys have the right to be happy as well. And yun, so wala na akong time. Tingnan nyo na yung GPO ako. Thank you guys and that's it. Thank you.